Thank you for choosing MobileDemand's strengthened glass screen protector. A MobileDemand IT expert will take you through the steps needed for a successful installation. A can of compressed air will make installation much easier. Let's get started. Begin by removing the lint-free cloth and preparing the tablet. The number one key to success is removing any dust and lint and creating a perfectly clean surface. Once you have cleaned the tablet, let's have a dry run. Don't remove the protective backing just yet. Lay the screen protector on the tablet, visualize the proper orientation and position. Once you know how the screen protector will be positioned, go ahead and wipe down the screen once more. Dust and lint love glass and will do everything they can to mess up your hard work. Your final cleaning strokes should be in one direction. Now take that trusty can of compressed air and give the tablet one final blast to remove any pesky particles. Peel the backing only about halfway for now. This is where the dry fit comes in handy. Remembering how it was positioned in the dry run, carefully align the screen protector along the edge and center it side to side. Once it is properly aligned, go ahead and peel the backing off the rest of the way and lay it down on the tablet. Bubbles are common and can be easily removed. Using your fingers, gently work the bubbles to the edges. Congratulations, we knew you could do it. Visit us online at www.mobiledemand.com for all your tablet accessory needs.